Good morning guys. Good morning for those who are watching this video in morning. This package includes 3 packagings which we are going to see in a moment. First, I will unwrap the plastic paper, and here I am unwrapping the plastic paper from the packaging. Yes, I unwrapped the plastic paper. Yes, Haldiram's Majestic treat. And one more important thing guys, I am not sponsored by Haldiram as it is not a review video, it's just an unboxing video. Now I am opening the package, for which I need to cut this sellotape. Here I cutted the sellotape, and here the box opened. The box, as I said, the box contains 3 packages. One of them is Pancharatan mixture, Haldiram's Pancharatan mixture. Let me fix this. Yes. Here you can see guys, you can pause and read the content of the package. This is the back side of the package. You can see calorie values of the package. Second package, Haldiram Son Papdi, back side as well. And third one is Haldiram's Rasgulla. You can pause and read the description of the package. Yes guys, this is the unboxing of Haldiram's Majestic treat. Thank you.